Oh, whew. Bird just tried to get my lure. Get away, go. No. Trying the hidden spook lure this time. Hidden spook. Not the junior one, but the regular one. Oh, no. Bird just tried to get my lure. Get away, go. No. Bird, go away. No. Bird. Ah! He actually hit it. That was close. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. He's still, no. Ah. Gulls are wanting to lure pretty bad. It must be working pretty well. He's coming right up here. There's a shad that's jumping up on top. They just keep circling. Ah. Oh, and a bass jumping after him. Come on, bass. Not you, fish. Get away. No. He's trying. Ah. Go. Trying another, I don't know if even I'm trying another spot. They're still gonna go after it. Yep. Looks like it. Getting close. Well, one thing's for sure, the head spook attracts the birds. I'm afraid to throw out there. Let me just not move. Nope, still going after it. Ah! No! Scare the bass away. Scare the fish away, those birds are. This must have looked too much like the real thing. It's rolling the birds. Okay, they're moving to another part of the lake. Try to make another cast real quick. I had a crane one time go after a topwater, but not like as aggressive as these birds. Whew. I mean, he's had his claws on the lure, and he's circling around again. Yep, get away. He's trying again. No. There's the shad up that are jumping. Oh, got him. Got him up top. Got him. Oh, he let go. Got off. Ah. Didn't hit it really super hard or aggressive. But he hit it. I slowed down just a little bit. It's good to know that here on November 19th, they're still hitting topwater. Oh! Man, you just missed it. He just missed it. He was nice. He was more than due. I don't know how big it was, but he was a good size. Well, there's only one thing left to do. Throw it out there again. If your line keeps getting hung up, you can either just try pulling it out like this and work it out like that, but there is another quicker way to get your line out there further if it's getting hung up, and I'll show you that here as soon as I bring this lure in. I don't know if this little trick would work on a open face or reel or anything like that, but these closed ones like this, if your line keeps getting hung up, you can just submerge it down in the water. It's going to bubble, and as soon as it stops, you don't see any more bubbles. Yeah, it still bubbles. Alright, it stopped. You can pull it out, drain the water out. It might not be the first cast, but by the second cast, yeah, there it goes. Yeah, first cast. It just went way out there. Doesn't always work the first cast because of all the water that's in it, but that second cast should be casting a whole lot smoother. Oh, something big just swirled. Something big just swirled. He didn't like strike at it, but it was a big old swirl. Oh, John, I got him that time. There we go. Missed it the first time, but got him the second time. Come on, baby. Come on. He just a couple pounds. Oh, nope, he's still in there. Okay. For a second there, I thought he got off. Come on, stay on there. There we go. Any luck? Go for it. Okay. Not too shabby. Top water. Yep. There's room over here if you want to cast. You're welcome. Yeah, I went all the way down that cove over there and I didn't get anything down there either. What's that? Yeah. Well, it's been like, it's just been hit or miss. I mean, I've been out here where one day I'd catch them left to right and come out the next day, use the exact same lure, and whoa, that was a big one. Oh, come on. Oh. See that? About 4 or 5 times he hit it. Ha. He just kept missing it. I've got a YouTube channel, but I won't put you on there, so. But I had actually one from Bass Pro that a fish over there broke my line on a couple weeks ago, and so I went to Walmart. It's just a head spook is all it is. It just does a walk the dog on top. Yeah. Yep, just to walk the dog. Yeah. I tried a little shad swimming bait in here and I didn't get any hits, but the top water, not a bunch of hits, but it's about the only thing they've been hitting on. Oh, there you go. Yeah, you're welcome. Is that a torpedo? Okay. Did you? Yeah. Oh, okay. There we go. Stay on there. Oh. He had some weight to him. He was good size. He was good size. Oh. And then they started hitting top. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Land them over here. They would actually hit my lure. Oh! Oh! Oh, I got him. Where's he going? Where'd he go? There we go. Not too bad. Oh, there we go. Oh. Oh, whoa, whoa. Careful. Oh, somebody's line's over here. Ah. Uh-oh. Somebody got snagged on that pole. Oh, great. Man. Let's see if I'll swim out of it. It's out there a good ways. I'm going to see if he just swims out of it. Yeah, I think he might have swum out of it. I'm not sure. Nope. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna let him swim some more and see if he gets out of it. Somebody got stuck on this pipe right here, and he's stuck on that line where my lure is. I'm letting him swim to see if he works his way out of it. Yeah, it's still on there because it goes same spot. Yep. It says.
Oh, that's his fishing line?
Yeah, somebody's fishing line. You see, it's stuck on that pipe. It's wrapped.
I don't want you to lose your lure, man.
Yeah.
Grab the kayak and I'll go cut it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
I'm just gonna set my stuff.
Okay, sure.
Drive with a really good trip.
All right.
Hopefully he doesn't die.
Yeah. He's still doing all right.
So I get close to it, obviously it's cool up on the line so I can reach it.
Sure. You don't have to. I really appreciate this.
Yeah, man. Hoping the fish lives and you get the lure back.
I just bought it tonight because I had one exactly like it that I lost at another place.
Seems like it's working, man.
It is.
Okay, can you pull up on the line so I can see where it's at?
Yeah.
It's so much easier to see from shore. Yeah, I see it now.
See it now? Yeah, you're about 1.5 feet from it. There we go. Thank you so much. Yep, yeah, braided it. Yeah. Okay. All right. Not too shabby. Chunky. Yeah, he's gonna be all right.
I do put it upside down on the top.
Okay.
It's about 70 pounds, so it's 35 pounds on both of us. It's not too bad.
Okay. All right,
so we'll just flip it first.
Okay.
It'll be easy to flip it.
I'm pretty short.
That was very helpful.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, at least I could do.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
Just gonna be sliding it. I need to get an SUV, man.
Third row seating. Ooh.
Thank you.
Yeah, well, thank you.
I was just like, what could I do? I'm like, kayak's right there, man.
Definitely too cold to wait out.
Yeah.
Where'd you move from?
Georgia.
Oh, okay. I used to live in eastern Tennessee for a while.
Oh,
Yep, Maryville.
pretty close.
Yeah, Maryville, just south of Knoxville. Lived there for about 6-7 years, but I grew up around here.
Go catch some more fish.
All right, thanks, man. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. I love to go on fishing adventures. Bass, catfish, crappie, bluegill, walleye, muskie, stripers. Bring it on. I love to fish.